BACnet data acquisition from ICP DAS USA. BACnet is a communication protocol for building automation and control networks. It was designed to allow communication of building automation and control systems for applications such as heating, ventilating and air conditioning control, lighting control, access control, and fire detection systems and their associated equipment. The BACnet protocol provides mechanisms for computerized building automation devices to exchange information regardless of the particular building service they perform. The BACnet protocol defines a number of services that are used to communicate between building devices. It also defines the number of objects that are acted upon by the services. The objects include analog input, output, and value, binary input, output, and value, multi-state input and output, etc. BACnet is based on a 4-layer collapse architecture that corresponds to the physical, data link, network, and application layers of the OSI model. The application layer and a simple network layer are defined in the BACnet standard. Features of this protocol include designed specifically for building automation control, a completely non-proprietary open communication software standard, supports several different physical and link layers. All data in a BACnet system is represented in terms of objects, properties, and services. Scalability and choice of compatibility with other systems and vendors. To learn more about our BACnet products, visit our website at www.icpdas-usa.com.